Emergency alert! Prism grid's shutting down. If the energy shield collapses, the whole planet goes dark.
And guess who's behind it?
Without power, learning stops. Try solving that, Sparksin.
The control panel's offline. Zilly, the crystals are scattered, and they power the grid.
We'll need to place them in perfect rows. 6 rows, 4 per row.
6 times 4, that's 24 crystals.
Good thing I can sniff 'em out.
This gate's locked with an area code. The scanner wants a 5x3 shape lit up.
Area is length times width. So, 5 times 3 is 15. We need 15 floor tiles lit. Boom! Lit and legit.
Try crossing my pattern bridge without falling into the number abyss.
Even I can smell that pattern. Add 2 each step. It's 8 and 10.
Step right or we fall forever.
Curse you, Sparksin!
And that's why learning always wins.